Adding people on Gmail is a simple process that allows you to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. Now to start, open your Gmail account and then click on the Compose button to start a new email. In the To field, TO, type the email address of the person that you want to add. As you begin typing, Gmail will suggest contacts from your address book if they're already in your system. Simply click on the name or email address to add them. If the person isn't already in your contacts, you can manually enter their full email address. Once added, Gmail automatically saves the contact, allowing you to send emails to them easily in the future. So alternatively, you can add contacts directly to your Google Contacts. Okay? So, to do this, go to Google Contacts and click on Create Contact. You can add their name, email address, and other relevant details. After saving the contact, it will sync with your Gmail account, making it easy to access and manage your contacts for the future emails that you write. So, you can also add people to Gmail by syncing with other platforms like importing contacts from your phone or connecting other email accounts. This keeps all your contacts in one place for convenience. Leave me a comment if this helped you out.